Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are making keto pizza. Yes, like real pizza crust. It is so good. This is made with my keto flour, which is now available on my website, and there's a link for that in the description box below. But please don't downvote this video if you don't have it or if you don't want to buy it. I've also linked 3 different pizza recipes in the description box that you can make instead. This is just my favorite one. I'm super excited about it, and I'm so excited about the release of my flour. So if you guys want to try it, like I said, the link is in the description box. And as always, the full recipe is down below as well. And let's just get into the recipe.